Hello, this is a quick video to show how to add the snowfall effects in After Effects. I have downloaded footage from freepik.com. We can find the downloading in this video description. Now I click and drag this footage into After Effects project, and then click and drag this footage into timeline to create a composition and import this footage in the composition. To add the snowfall effects, we can go to Window and Effects and Presets, and we can find the effects and presets here. And we can search snowfall, and then make sure that we select the layer, and then double click it to apply the effects into the layer. In the effects control, we can control the setting of snow effects. For example, we can adjust the size. I will use the 50 to increase the size to make it visible. And then we can adjust the variation of size and scene depth. And we can control the speed, and we can control the wind, the direction of the snowfall. And then we can preview it. This is the snowfall effect. We can have the extra option to adjust the embed depth to control number of the snowfall. This is how we can add snowfall effects in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.